In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping on Ecwid, a critical part of ensuring your customers receive their orders smoothly and on time. Let's dive right in and make sure everything is set up correctly. First, you'll need to navigate to your Ecwid dashboard. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, direct your gaze to the left-hand side and find Shipping and Pickup. Click on that and it will take you to the section where you can manage all your shipping options. Next, you'll be looking to add a new shipping method, so hit the Add Shipping button. This is where you'll start configuring how you want to send products to your customers. Now, you have a decision to make. Ecwid presents you with several shipping options. Take a moment to decide which shipping carrier or method suits your business and customer needs best. Let's go ahead and select PHL Post for this setup. Once you've chosen PHL Post, you'll proceed to set up your rates. It's crucial to consider what you want to offer your customers here. Do you want to provide free shipping for orders above a certain amount? If so, click on Set up Free Shipping and enter the conditions that will apply. Don't forget to add a description that your customers will see. This description is vital as it communicates key information about this shipping method. You'll want to specify how long it usually takes for the orders to arrive, the process of how the shipment will be handled, and any other details your customers might need to know. Think of this as setting customer expectations up front. For those orders where you might want to offer free shipping, you can set the availability based on the order subtotal. This way, you can encourage larger purchases by offering incentives like free shipping. Another great feature is the option to show the estimated delivery date at checkout. This little detail can provide peace of mind to your customers, knowing exactly when to expect their packages. Enable this feature to enhance the shopping experience on your site. Then make sure to specify the shipping regions. By doing this, you ensure that your shipping policies and rates are only available to the countries and regions you're capable of serving. This prevents any unpleasant surprises at checkout. Now that your shipping method is all set up, the final step is to click Save and Finish. This action ensures that all the configurations you've made are saved and your new shipping option will be available to customers the next time they place an order. And there you have it, your shipping is now set up on Ecwid. Make sure to regularly review and update these settings as needed to keep your business operations running smoothly and your customers happy. Thank you for tuning in and happy shipping.